Is that your real name? Am I just a name? Yeah, Bluebirds, guys.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Run, runner, run, runner. Going faster miles an hour. Gonna drive faster, stop and shop. With the radio on. I'm in love with Massachusetts. And the neon when it's cold outside. And the highway when it's late at night. Got the radio on. I'm like a roller. Alright. I'm in love with waterproof line. 128 when it's dark outside. I'm in love with Massachusetts. I'm in love with the radio on. It helps me from being alone late at night. Helps me from being lonely late at night. I don't feel so bad now with the car. Don't feel so low with the radio on. Like a roller. That's right. Say hello to the spirit of 1956. Patient in the bushes next to 57. The highway is your girlfriend as you go by quick. Suburban trees, suburban speed, and it smells like him. And I say road runner once, road runner twice. I'm in love with rock and roll, and I'll be out all night, road runner. That's right.
Yeah. True life, I'm addicted to tanning. Yo, cop 2 of my CDs, Christian Life and Life, show. Yo, how'd that feel? Banger. Dude, it's fucking. Fuck yeah, Dylan. Right now.
Man down, where you from, nigga? Fuck who you know, where you from, my nigga? Where your grandma stay, my nigga? This mad city I run, my nigga.
Brace yourself, I take you on a trip down memory lane. This is not a rap while I'm slinging crack or moon cocaine. This is cul-de-sac and plenty cognac and major pain. Not the drill sergeant, but the stress that weighing on your brain. It was me, El Boogie, Yang Yang, YG Lucky. Ride down Rosecrans, it got ugly. Waving your hand out the window, check yourself. Warriors and Conans, hope euphoria can slow dance with society. The driver seat, the first one to get killed. Seen them with saying gout. Now this is not a tape recorder saying that he did it, but ever since that day, I was looking at him different. That was back when I was 9. Joey packed a 9. Pack a stand on every porch is fine. We adapt to crime. Pack a van with 4 guns at a time. With the sliding door. Fuck it's up. Fuck you shooting for. If you ain't walking up, you fucking punk. Picking up the fucking pump. Picking up, you sucker, sucker, dick or die, a sucker punch. A wall of bullets coming from AKs, ARs, AR, duck. That's what mama said when we was eating that free lunch. Oh man, goddamn, all hell broke loose. You killed my cousin back in 94. Fuck your truce. Now crawl your head in that noose. You wind up dead on the news. Ain't no peace treaty, just peace and BG's up to pre-approved. Bodies on top of bodies, IVs on top of IVs. Obviously the coroner between the sheets like the Osleys. When you hop on that trolley, make sure your color's correct. Make sure you're corporate or they'll be calling your mother collect. They say the governor collect all of our taxes except when we in traffic and tragic happens. That shit ain't no threat. You moving backwards if you suggest that you sleep with a tech. Go buy your chopper and have a doctor on speed dial, I guess. Mad City.
Man down, where you from, nigga? Fuck who you know, where you from, my nigga?
the city go against me. Every time I'm in the street, I hear yak, yak, yak.
Have you had your soup today? Campbell's of course, Campbell's of course. Have you had your soup today? Campbell tastes good, good. Have Campbell's every day, you get vitamins that way, proteins and
Because I saw the flat, I was like, I gotta make this flat. And I fucking wiped out.
Dear camera, I think that guy behind me wants to rape me. He keeps saying things like, hey, come here, lumberjack, because I'm wearing lumberjack clothes. He's like, hey, you could come cut my wood. I'll check back in a few minutes. Bye.